Everyone, welcome to myTectra YouTube channel. Today we are going to see which is the topmost programming language one can choose in 2019. In fact, you might have seen a lot of videos in YouTube talking about what is the top 3 programming language one can choose in 2019. What is the top 7 programming language you can choose in 2019. What is the top 10 programming language one can choose. So this video specifically we are bringing what is the number 1 programming language which is most trending in 2019 one could choose. So the top trending programming language in 2019 is Python. Am I right? So Python is a programming language like any other programming language like C, C++, Java. It has both structural programming language like C programming. It has object-oriented version as well. So the question is, why Python is so famous today? In fact, Python is older than Java. Python, the first version had been released in 1991, wherein Java been released in 95. So Python is a bit older than Java. So Python is not known or not widely used until few years ago. So why Python is so popular now? So the reason is Python being adopted as either a default language or a preferred language in most of the trending technology today. If you look at the technology has changed a lot in last few years. So today the most trending technologies includes AI, which is artificial intelligence. Then we have machine learning, ML. And machine learning, data science, then you talk about IoT. Then you talk about test automation. Then you talk about infra automations. You talk about web application development, web apps, then you talk about DevOps, then you talk about RPA, Robotic Process Automations, in fact, Python is used everywhere. So if you look at today the most trending technologies, which is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, these are the technologies companies, every company wants to adopt, which is adaptability. So the number of jobs are going up, and IoT. And today Python is a preferred language in IoT. In fact, AI, machine learning and data science, Python is almost a default language today. Traditionally, if you look at R programming is used, and last few years Python completely taken over R programming. Then you talk about testing in software industry, testing as a job profile. There is no scope for a manual testing. If you are a tester, you need to be an automation tester. Today, when it comes to test automations, Python is a preferred language. Rather than traditionally Java with Selenium used, today Python with Selenium is the best options. And infrastructure automations. Traditionally, if you look at, people call it as infrastructure job, people call it as non-programming jobs, like networking, storage, system administrator, server administrator. Today, a lot of automation happens in IT infrastructure. Python is a preferred language there, and web application development. So today, most of the companies prefers web apps, web applications rather than a desktop-based applications. And Python is one of the most preferred language for web app development. So which Python plus the best example is Python and Django could be used for web apps development. Traditionally, if you look at either Java, JWE or .NET or PHP or Ruby on Rails is used for web app development. Today, Python is a preferred language. The reason is Python is simpler, very simple language, and it's easy, as like Ruby or PHP. And Python is a brand today. Companies going for web application development using Python rather than any other language. And today we talk about DevOps. Python is a preferred language there, RPA. So this is robotic process automation. This one technology is changing the entire industries. It is bringing down the number of jobs. So today Python is one of the preferred language for custom RPAs. It does not stop here. Python as a programming language we can use anywhere beyond this. So the next question is, who can learn Python? In fact, there is no prerequisite. Anyone can learn Python. Anyone can learn Python. So Python is such a easiest programming language. As long as one is interested to learn a programming language, he can be very successful learning Python. So we see basically a lot of people coming from different backgrounds. We see people from doctors, they come and learn Python. People who are working as a scientist, they come and learn Python. People who are from economics, they come and learn Python. People from various IT domain, they come and learn Python. People from freshers, they learn Python. So Python could be used anywhere. So anyone can learn Python. So if you are looking for entering into programming as your job role, Python could be one of the best options you can choose in 2019. Thank you for watching these videos and subscribe to our channel to get more technical videos.